This is the AwareTech mini camera. Today we'll be doing a product unboxing, basic overview and setup guide. Going ahead and taking a look at what's in the box first up, cracking this one open. We've got the smart manual instruction guide, as well as the app installation guide, a USB to USB-C cable for connecting and charging, the main unit itself, the mini black box. It is quite a small footprint, as well as the magnetic mount for the device, and there's even a little spare adhesive in the box as well. Now we'll go ahead and get this one set up so we can show you the basic overview. Taking a look at the device itself, it actually is very straightforward. We'll just disconnect it from the magnetic base here and take a look. There's a port here for the micro SD card. You've got an in port for the USB-C connection for charging up the device, the reset button, as well as the power on and off button. Once you've charged up the device and you're ready to go, jump into the basic setup. Once you've powered on the device, it'll take 40 to 60 seconds and then navigate to your Wi-Fi settings, select the B link that appears and type in the default password, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Join. It can take up to a minute the first time you connect to it, but then you should get a tick to say good to go. Once you've seen that, navigate to the IoT Living app that you've downloaded to Android or iOS. Top right corner, press the plus button, select manual add, search camera from LAN, and there's the camera right there. For this video, we'll call this one test. Okay, added successfully. Now we can go in, press play, ignore the setting the password, and go live, and there's my hand live in real time. Once you've had a play around with that, bottom right hand corner of the window is a settings cog. Press that, go into your network information and connect it to Wi-Fi if you want to use remote viewing, or move down to the parameter settings record to enable SD card recording, and then motion detection settings to enable alerts and motion detection based recording. There's a whole lot more to it, but if you have any other questions, just let us know.